This is an install instructional video for Rvinyl on light tint. The roll of bulk style Rvinyl light tint comes in a sealed bag. To open, cut alongside the roll of light tint. Inside the package is a straightforward installation guide, as well as an offer to get $20 cash back. The first step is to measure the lights on the vehicle. Measure each light separately and give around 3 inches of extra material on all sides, top, bottom, left, or right. Then safely cut the light tint into sections using a Snitty. Now we move on to reflectors. Make sure one edge of the light tint is perfectly straight. Fold the liner back. Tack one edge just past the reflector. Then line the straight edge of the tint to one edge of the reflector. This saves in cutting. Release the entire liner, then stretch the tint all the way towards the other side. Run a finger to lock into place, then seal the edge with the hard side of the squeegee. Then run a squeegee with the buffer side on the bottom. Once everything's on the reflector, click the blade so it's extra sharp, then cut the excess film along the edge of the reflector. The key is to make sure that the angle of the blade is parallel to the edge so it doesn't cut the paint. Remove the excess film and masking tape, then seal the deal with a micro squeegee. Trim off any remaining excess film, seal the edge, then go over the reflector with heat.